Hi guys, today I will show you some of the paid Udemy courses which are free, so you can enroll in it and get a certificate. Okay, so first is Python Bootcamp course. Here in this course you can build 15 working applications and games. Also you will learn data science, data visualization, desktop graphical applications and much more. Next is a Java programming course which is in Tamil. So if you are beginner in Java, you can learn Java from here. Okay, next is also a Java course. It's a project oriented course. So if you are a Java programmer and want to explore some of the projects, you can enroll in this. Okay, next is a Power Pivot course. Here you will learn how to use Power Pivot. Okay, next is a cybersecurity course. Here you will learn how to protect and secure your organization network from inside and outside threats. Also, you will learn how to improve user awareness of phishing and phishing scams. Okay, next is a video portrait blueprint course. In this course is made for photographers. So if you are interested in photography, you can enroll in it. Okay, next is an English grammar course. Here you will learn English grammar. If you are weak in English, this course is for you. Okay, next is a photo editing course with free softwares. Here you will learn how to use Pizzap, Darktables, Photoscapes, Photoshop Express editors and much more. Next is a Power Query course. Here you will learn how to use Power Query, how to you will also learn gathering and transforming your data. Next next course is about immune system. Here you will learn how to increase your immune system or how to boost up your immune system actually. Next is a natural language programming course which is in Hindi. Here you will learn natural language processing, its applications, also implementation of spam filter, and also there are many terminologies which are in this course. Okay, next is a Happy Flutter course. Actually, this is the second part of Happy Flutter course. In this course, you will learn about passing data values, return data, and designing of database in MySQL. Okay, next is a network ethical hacking course for beginners. Here you will learn how to prepare the penetration testing lab and much more cool stuffs. Okay, next is again a Java course. Here you will learn Lambda in Java, which is in Java 8. Okay, next is a CV building course. If you are searching for a job, this course is for you. With the help of this course, you can create amazing CV. Okay, next is developing effective time and okay, this is the time management course. Here you will learn how to manage time effectively and also you will learn how to manage yourself also. Okay, next is Catalan Studio 2020 course. Here you will learn how to quickly create test scripts without any coding knowledge. Also you will learn how to use Catalan Studio with BDD and Cucumber. Okay, next is also again a Python course. If you are a beginner in Python, this course is good for you. Okay, so you can enroll in it. Next is a computer and this is the quiz. Here you can give quiz about computer and technologies. Now this is the Git course. So if you are new to Git, this course is best for you. Or if you want to know more about Git, this course is helpful. Okay, next is HTML5 course. This is the this is the practice test. This practice test will help you to be confident in HTML5 and also solidified your basics. Sorry. So next is a primary course. Okay, here you will learn how to combine visual effects. Okay, and also much more things. Okay, yeah, here you will learn how to combine visual effects to create artistic piece in Premiere Pro. Okay, next is Adobe Illustrator course. Here you will learn how to drawing open shapes, drawing closed shapes, transform any shapes, designing logos, creating vector illustrations, create a paper cut effects, and much more. Making graphs, adding shadows. Actually, this is the good course about Illustrator. So next is again a Java course. So if you are a complete stranger in Java, you can enroll in it. Okay, next again a Python course. So you can enroll in it. If you are a beginner or not, if you are not a beginner, you can do Python because it's a trending technology now. So last is not a Udemy course, it's a bit degree course. Here you can learn how to make puzzle games. In this is not a Udemy course. You can enroll in this course for free by going to bitdegree.org. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.